morning, students of 9B. In the period of geography, our chapter, the grid, geography grid is continue. The last class, you have seen the explanation of time difference between the longitudes. For each longitude, time differs by 4 minutes, and for every 15 longitudes, the time differs by 1 hour, because the earth completes its rotation within 24 hours from west to east. Due to this rotation, you have learned what is this apparent movement of the earth. Now we took this fact that the earth rotates on its own axis within 24 hours. So within 24 hours, each and every longitude comes once in front of the sun. For each and every longitude, once the sun remains above that longitude, and there is noon for that longitude above which the sun remains just at the highest point. In other words, we say the longitude that will be just below of the sun, there will be noon time, and we say that noon time is as midday. We come to the Greenwich Mean Time to understand the difference of time. As we go towards east, the time will be added to the time of Greenwich. That formula is named as EGA. The full form of EGA became EGA for East Gain Add. These three words: E for East, G for Gain, A for Add. I repeat, when we go east from Greenwich, this is the eastern hemisphere. If we go towards east from Greenwich, then we follow East Gain Add formula. And when we come towards west from Greenwich, then we follow WLS formula. It means waste, lose, subtract. Regarding this, we take one example. We consider two longitudes that measures 60° east and 60° west. This is the prime meridian where the time is 12 noon. The time is 12 noon. When the time is 12 noon as the prime meridian, as the Greenwich, because the Greenwich used as the prime meridian. Prime meridian, again I repeat, prime meridian is the starting meridian. Here in this diagram I have considered this Greenwich meridian is the prime meridian. And time at Greenwich is 12 noon. Then our question is, what will be the time at 60 degree eastern longitude, while the time at the prime meridian Greenwich is 12 noon? So what are we seeing? This difference is of 60 degree. We write difference in longitude is equal to 60 degree. Then we write difference in time equal to how much? We know for each degree of longitude, time differs by 4 minutes. So here for 60 degree, the time will differ by 60 into 4 minutes. This became 240 minutes. We can change it into hour. 240 will be divided by 60. This became hours. And in this way, this is 4 hours. We got the time difference of 4 hours. While at the Greenwich, there is time 12 noon, then time at the time at the 60 degree eastern longitude will differ by 4 hours. Then as per the rule, as we go towards east, then time will go ahead, so that difference will be added to the time of Greenwich Mean Time. So time, we write ultimately the time at 60 degree eastern longitude equal to 12:00 plus 4:00 equal to 4 o'clock evening, or we say 4 p.m. Time is added towards east. So this is the way to find out the difference. At first I got the difference in longitude, 60 degree minus 0 degree equal to 60 degree. Then difference in time, each time varies for 4 minutes for each longitude. Here longitudinal difference is 60 degrees, so I multiplied this 4 by 60 and I got 240 minutes. Then this is changed into hours, dividing by 60, and I got 4 hours. Since this is in the eastern hemisphere, so this time difference will be added to the time of Greenwich, that is 12 noon. So time at 60 degree eastern hemisphere will be 12 noon plus this time difference 4 hours equal to 4 p.m. Now this second part, if that longitude lies in western hemisphere, then what should be done? These things will remain same, time difference will also be same, but for western hemisphere we follow this WLS. 12 noon we write time at 60 degree western longitude. 60 degree western longitude is equal to 12:00 minus 4:00. This became 8 a.m. in the morning. There will be morning at 60 degree western hemisphere, and at 60 degree eastern hemisphere there will be evening 4 p.m.